Hi, I'm Sai. I'm here to teach you how to solve a 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube. First, let me explain the moves and the pieces name. This are called the center pieces. This are called the edge pieces, and this is a corner piece. First, we should look for white center pieces. Here, two white center pieces are. So you should move it up like this. Up, and look for another two centerpiece. Here is two. So we should move it up here. First we should separate. So we should turn the cube upside down and turn the up face once. Now we should take this green piece over here. So turn like this. Remove from its way, undo. And now these two pieces needs to be done. So the two pieces are here. So we should move it up. Do the same. Move it up, remove from its way, undo. Now 3. So again, now we should turn like this. First we should remove from its way, and now take that piece and place. Now the two pieces need to be solved. So again we should do the same. Move it up. Now remove from its way. Move it down. Undo. And now we need to fix only one piece. And the piece is here. So keep it parallel to it and move it up. Remove from its way. Undo. And undo, and we solved the white center. Now we should solve the yellow center. For solving the yellow center, we should look for yellow center pieces. Here is one. Now we should move it up. If you remove this line from there, then the white center will be scrambled. So we should move it from its way and undo. Now you have a situation like this. So move this piece over here. Remove from its way, undo. And now the last two center pieces, make it parallel to this, move it up, remove from its way, undo. And now the same. First we should keep it like this, move it up. No, we should not do like this. Keep it parallel to this, move it up, turn the up face twice, and undo. Now the last piece needs to be solved. So turn the cube and look for. Here is one piece. Now we should keep it like this. Move it up. Remove from its way. Undo. Now if you solve like this, then we have nothing to replace. So we should keep like this parallel to the solved center and do it. Move it up. Remove from its way, undo. Now two centers are solved. Now you have to solve it like the blue center. So we should turn now. We should turn the cube and keep the blue center up and move it up. Turn the up face once, undo. Now turn the up face again, move it up. Remove from its way, undo. The same. Now if you have a situation like this, the blue piece is here and two blue pieces are up here. Now you should do, move it up, remove from its way, undo. The last two pieces, one piece is here. So you should keep it like this, move it up. If you solve like this, it will take a longer time. So turn the cube and choose this piece. So turn the front face once, move it up, remove from its way, undo. The last piece need to be solved. The piece is here. So we should turn the cube twice and move it up, remove from its way, move it down, remove from its way, undo. And we solved three centers. Like this, you have to solve the red center. and blue, red center, orange and green. Step 2. Edge pairing. Now you have to look for edge pieces. Now let's take blue and orange. First blue and orange piece is here. The second piece is here. Now we should keep like this and search for the next piece. The next piece is also here. So keep it like this. Remember, the color should not be same. Now you have 3 pieces in row. So move it, attach and attach. Now the centers are scrambled. So replace it with an unsolved edge. Move it up. Replace with an unsolved edge. And it's done. The next edge is orange and yellow. Now 2 pieces are already in its place. The next piece is also here. So turn it up and now all are in a line. So attach. Now replace it with an unsolved edge and undo the set of moves. The next edge is the green and red. Now the first piece is here, the second piece is also here. The third piece is here. So move it up. Now all the 3 are in a line. So set, replace it with an unsolved edge and undo. Like this, you have to till the last 2 centers are. Now the last 2 edges. While you solve all the edges correctly, now the last 2 edges, if you solve it, there will be nothing to replace. So here you should study an algorithm. So we should keep it like this if you end up with this situation. Or you can keep it like this and swap this. For this you have an algorithm. Right, up, right inverse, front, right inverse, front inverse, right. And now do the same for this edge also. Right, up, right inverse, front, right inverse, front inverse, right. And now swapped. And now you want this edge to be here. So we should turn the edge like this and do the swapping algorithm. Right, up, right inverse, front, right inverse, front inverse, right, and correct the centers. 50% of the chance if you use the algorithm, all edges will be solved. Another 50% of you will end up with these situations. Only one edge is not solved. For this situation, you need to study an algorithm. Small r twice, back twice, up twice, small l, up twice, small r inverse, up twice, small r, up twice, front twice, small r, front twice, small l inverse, back twice, and r twice. And now all edges are solved. Step 3. Solving the whole cube. And now you can solve the whole cube like an 3x3 cube. If you did not watch my 3x3 cube video, go and watch in the link in my description. So we can solve it like a normal 3x3. Like this. First solve the centers. Now turn the cube upside down and solve the edges. Solve the edges and the corners. Now keep it like this and do the algorithm. And now solve the second and third and fourth layer. Normally in a 5x5, if you solve the edges correctly, there will be no PLL parities and OLL parities. Do the OLL. Now the PLI. And now solved the whole cube. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye.